Okay, we have here a Mini Cooper S, and we're going to replace a license plate bulb. We already did this one over here, but this is LED and the other one's not. So this one's nice and white, this one is yellow. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. We're using this super bright LED bulb by Sylvania, and we're just going to show you how to get it done. For this video, you're only going to need two tools. One of them is a screwdriver, which hopefully you all have. If not, make sure you pick yourself up a set of screwdrivers. And the other is going to be a piece of cardboard, and I'm not talking about this cardboard here, but we will show you a trick on how to get that bulb in there very easily. Now, it's going to be hard to see, but I'm going to take the screwdriver, and you're going to see there's a little tab right there that the screwdriver will fit into, and be able to pop the lens off carefully. And just push it like that. And then now you have your lens out, and that exposes the light bulb right there. Okay, there we go. So you can see how it's made, and it just clips in a couple rings there. So we're gonna save this because it's a good bulb. We just don't like the color, doesn't match. So it's a good spare. If you need it, we won't be using it. All right, once you have the bulb removed from the packaging here, and we got the new bulb in my hand, the trick is to get it up in there, and what happens is it wants to drop in a little cavity in behind. It's really hard to get it to go right straight up in. So if you save the cardboard from the packaging, I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get this bulb in. Then I want to fold this so it sits right inside that opening. This will sit just like that. If you don't use a piece of paper like this, it's almost impossible. Let me get closer so I can show you what I mean. I couldn't get close and hold the video too, but what I did is I had this cardboard slid underneath like that, and then I just slid the bulb up there with two fingers until it met with those prongs and clipped right in. That's all there is to it. All we gotta do now is put the lens back on. For the lens, I just reversed the process. I put it up in there, I put the screwdriver on this tab, pushed over very hard, and slid it right in, and you're good to go. Sorry I couldn't show you close up just because I couldn't get it close up and hold the camera at the same time. So but yeah, that's how you can change a plate light on a Mini Cooper S. Hey, thanks for swinging by Shane's Mini Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back off for more videos. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.